Now when they call you back, hey Felicia, this is Dr. Easton, you had left me a message about some idea. You're not going to go into, we do Google My Business profiles. Yeah, thank you so much for calling me back. So the reason why I reached out to you is we were doing a meeting with a lot of our top tier chiropractor clients, and one thing that they're seeing is they are spending an absolute fortune for advertising. I mean, chiropractic leads are some of the most expensive clicks out there, a lot of times north of $30 to $40 per lead. And then what they're not realizing is their Google My Business profile is not set up correctly, or worse, doesn't exist, or even worse, another chiropractic office has gone in and figured out a way to kind of hijack that. So when they're searching under your name, they're seeing another office's website. How are you, and now we're not saying is that something you're seeing, how are you guys handling that? Now you got yourself a discussion going, okay? And we're not even going to get into a sales pitch at that point, right? You know, I'm happy to pop on, if you'd like, I'm happy to pop on right now and take a look. Now, hopefully you've done your homework behind and you know that there's an issue there, right? Oh, yeah, I'm seeing an issue here. Does it make sense for us to, I'd love to send you over a quote. This is what we do all day, every day. I'm in charge of our chiropractic clients. I'd love to help you. I can send over a quote for us to get this cleaned up for you. Typically, it takes about a week to 2 weeks for us to do the work. It's $900 for the service, and about another week to 2 weeks for the Google algorithm to reset. There's no way of knowing when that comes around and resweeps. So anywhere between 14 and 30 days, the profile will all of a sudden pop one morning and be cleaned up. Does it make sense for us to fix this for you?